how to use ClickUp for KPI tracking. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create KPI tracking or use ClickUp for KPI tracking. So if you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management tool that lets you have a space so you can manage all your details, data, and others. And in this video, we're gonna use ClickUp for KPI tracking. So first you can go to your ClickUp dashboard and then go to your left side and you can choose the space you want to add the KPI tracking. So basically we're gonna use template from ClickUp, so it will make our job easier because we don't need to start it from scratch. So let's say I'm gonna choose this space, team space, and I'm gonna click plus icon here to go to template. And then go to template here, click on it. And on the template, as you can see, you can just go to search box and type KPI, and we'll find several templates. Basically, you can, choose whatever you want. But let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And this is the description, and this is the feature. There is status group, custom fields. Let's see the custom fields. Okay, it's good enough. And then a few types. And if you think it's good enough, you can use the template by click this one, use template, and you can name the template. You can name it KPI tracking, just like that. Then if you have a data or something like that, you can just export it. I'm gonna leave it like that and then click use template. And after wait a few seconds, my template has successfully created. And as you can see, this is the KPI tracking template. So you can just modify, the items. You don't need start it from scratch. You can see there is um, the department and target and others. You can modify it as you want. And if you think this is not good enough and you want to try another template, you can just repeat the process and use another template. And I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.